All right, let's talk about how to get that perfect broccoli harvest right here in Arkansas. And listen, it really all boils down to one single thing. Okay, here it is. Most people who fail with broccoli in Arkansas, it's for one reason. They plant it at the wrong time. It's not the wrong method, it's not bad soil, it's not the fertilizer you're using, it's the timing. If you can just get this one thing right, everything else, it just falls into place. So, what is the right time? Well, it's not just one specific date on a calendar, it's actually two specific windows you absolutely have to hit. So, yeah, here in Arkansas, we actually get two shots at this every single year. You've got a spring window and you've got a fall window. And while both can work, I'm telling you, one of them is way, way more likely to give you that amazing harvest you're looking for. Think of spring planting like a sprint. You have this really narrow window to get your plants in and get them harvested before that summer heat just shows up and ruins everything. But fall? Oh, fall is totally different. It's hands down the most reliable season. Those cooling temperatures are exactly what broccoli craves, which makes it so much more forgiving. Honestly, it's your key to a fantastic harvest. Okay, now here's something you've got to keep in mind. Arkansas isn't just one big climate zone, right? We've got the Ozarks up north, the plains down south. So your perfect planting dates, they're going to shift depending on where you actually live. You really can't use a one-size-fits-all approach for this. All right, let's break this down by region. If you're up in North Arkansas, you're looking at putting spring transplants in the ground around late March, maybe early April. Move down to Central Arkansas, and you can push that a bit earlier, think early to late March. And for you folks in South Arkansas, you get a head start. You can get those plants in as early as late February. Now for the fall crop, which remember is the easier one, the timing gets a little more condensed. For most of the state, you're going to want to start your seeds in early August and then get those transplants in the ground sometime between late August and early September. And this is what we're all after, right? A perfect, tight, dense, beautiful head of broccoli. And the secret to getting this instead of, a bitter, flowery mess, it all comes down to understanding this plant's number one enemy. So let's get into the why. Why is this timing thing so incredibly important? It all boils down to one thing, heat, and more specifically, how broccoli reacts to it. Okay, if there's one number I want you to burn into your brain, it's this: 75 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the danger zone. Once your daily temperatures are consistently getting above that mark, especially when the broccoli head is trying to form, the plant starts to get really stressed out. And that stress, it triggers a survival instinct that is just terrible for us gardeners. And that survival response has a name. It's called bolting. Basically, the plant panics. It thinks, oh no, it's too hot, I'm gonna die. So it rushes to make seeds. It sends up all these flower stalks right through the middle, turning that beautiful, dense head you wanted into this loose, ugly bunch of yellow flowers. And once that happens, yeah, your harvest is pretty much ruined. Okay, but here is the really crucial part, the thing most people don't know. Research has actually pinpointed this super specific window of vulnerability. Your broccoli plant is most sensitive to heat during a 10-day period before you can even see that tiny little head starting to form in the center. Isn't that wild? So that's why a sudden heat wave in May can wreck a crop that looked perfectly fine. The damage was actually done a week and a half before you even noticed anything was wrong. All right, so now that we get the why, let's switch gears to the how. Here is your super simple, step-by-step plan to make sure you get it right. First things first, start your seeds indoors. This is absolutely critical for that spring crop because it gives you strong, healthy transplants that are ready to go the second your planting window opens. Next up, prep your soil. Look, broccoli is a heavy feeder. It's hungry, so you've got to work in a good amount of compost to give it what it needs. Third, when it's time to transplant, give them some space, about 12 to 15 inches apart, and plant them just a little bit deeper than they were sitting in their little pot. And finally, and this is a big one, mulch and water. A thick layer of straw or wood chips is your best friend here. It keeps the soil cool, which can be even more important than keeping the air cool, and it helps hold on to that precious moisture. So, how does all this apply to you? Well, let's talk about two really common scenarios. The person who's a complete beginner and the person who's tried and failed and is just frustrated. Okay, if you're planting broccoli for the very first time, listen up. My best advice, start with a fall crop. Seriously, your biggest advantage is that you can choose the easy path right from the get-go. The cooling weather of an Arkansas autumn is just perfect for broccoli. It is so much more forgiving than racing against the spring heat, and your chances of success are going to be way, way higher. Set yourself up for a win. And for those of you who've tried this before and it just didn't work out, I really want you to hear this. The problem wasn't your skill. It wasn't your soil. You don't have a black thumb. The problem almost certainly was the heat. You probably planted that spring crop just a few weeks too late, and that pushed its most vulnerable growth stage right into the first heat wave of the year. But the fix is so simple. Either switch over to the much more reliable fall season, or just make a note to start your spring transplants much, much earlier indoors this time. So after all that, what's the one thing you need to remember? It really just boils down to this one simple rule. If the nights are still cold and crisp, go for it. It's safe to plant your spring crop. But if you look at the forecast and see that summer heat is just around the corner, don't even risk it. Just wait for fall. And that, right there, is the real secret to finally mastering broccoli here in Arkansas.